Yeah, you're sleeping. Alvin, wake up, Alvin. This is no time to sleep.
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
Oh, come on, it's just after Halloween and you want me to record?
It's literally 3 in the morning. I mean, 3 in the afternoon, but still, it's still morning. Who sleeps at this time?
I'm just too tired after Halloween.
Yeah, where the hell did you go outside in Halloween in this situation, anyways? I bet you
I
didn't
didn't
go
go out.
outside.
I didn't go out. I was just busy with some work.
Yeah.
Let me just set up. Yep. So make sure you have some good content for me today because I'm really tired.
Who was not after an Halloween night? I am not.
Yeah. So what do we have today?
We have a story from Reddit. I mean, creepypasta may give us copyright first. So Reddit is a savior.
Okay.
So it's from a Reddit page known as r/no sleep. So this is like creepypasta, but
Okay.
people just do it on Reddit.
I see. That's nice.
Meanwhile,
Okay, start. Am I lagging? I feel like I'm lagging.
But
Oh, you tried to do that yesterday stuff, huh?
it didn't work. So yeah, this is this is about a robber.
Okay.
So
You're the first of our kind. We have never worked on robbers.
yeah, actually, this is like the first thing, but
Let's start.
yeah. So and one more fact, I have not gone through the story. I just opened up Reddit and went to a random thing that had the shortest one, and obviously you don't even know Reddit, I guess.
Yeah, I haven't visited Reddit a lot.
what do you live under a rock? No way. Hey Rick, check this out.
So yeah, so this is probably about a robber. So let's get into it.
You haven't gone through it?
No, I have not.
Okay.
I seriously have not.
Still hard to believe, but yeah, let's go.
No, really. I robbed a house last night and found something I can't explain inside. I rob houses. Look, I am not a bad person. I lost my job and don't have enough to feed my 3 kids. I only target big, rich houses whose owners are clearly up to their ears in money. I don't break into houses with kids. Swing sets in the backyard is the immediate deal breaker. I don't carry a gun or any kind of weapon because there is too much risk I'll get scared and hurt someone. This is just a temporary thing for my wife, for my kids to survive. So yeah, during this pandemic and all those things, many people have lost their jobs.
Yeah.
There are people killing people.
And look, robbery is not the only option people have got.
I mean, that's an option.
That is an option, but not a very good option. You need to think before you make such decisions in life. And obviously, he chose the wrong way out, I believe, as I would judge it.
No, he's like the modern day Thanos. According to him, he's right.
Yeah, yeah. Thanos wanted to wipe out half the population.
The thing about most villains in these kind of movies are they want peace in a different way.
Yeah,
Thanos
peace by
wanted,
doing violence.
yeah,
Peace.
destruction.
Yeah, again, that is destruction and peace through destruction. That's that
Hitler
kind of
wanted
stuff.
peace through destruction.
Iron Man.
My latest target was a huge mansion on the north of town. It was the perfect house to rob, placed at the end of a lonely road, far from neighbors and witnesses. And it was clear to the owners had a ton of money. The house had all the extras: a captain's walk overlooking the front yard, a massive deck in the back, and several bay windows. I had driven by the house repeatedly over the past few days to get a sense of their schedule. It was a man and a woman. The man tall and stocky, the woman a short blonde. I'd seen them through the dining room window a few times, eating expensive steak and drinking red wine under a crystal chandelier. How big is this house, man? And who
I
lives
don't know.
above? How many
And
windows they
he
have?
also said that it's far away from the neighborhood, and they didn't have many neighbors,
Yeah,
so
I
no
mean,
witnesses.
people like loneliness.
Not
There are,
all people. I hate loneliness. I need neighbors around.
I mean,
Otherwise, it's like you have planted a house in a desert. What's that?
that's also a good option, Everything
Yeah,
for
for
yourself.
people like you. Everything for yourself. Yeah, but that's loneliness, and I hate loneliness in life.
And I would think in such a lonely place, they would notice a man driving around their house
Obviously,
with
that
with
should happen.
these many windows and what is that, Captain's Walk?
Okay, by the way, let me just ask: is this horror?
I don't know. It was an r/no sleep, maybe.
No sleep. No sleep suggests horror.
Yeah, maybe or maybe not. Who knows?
Yeah. So let's dive into it.
Honestly, seeing all that wealth filled me with anger. How many people could they feed? If they just sold one of their paintings, or the painted vase, and that they had its own table in the corner. Why the hell will you give a vase its own table? So I was gonna eat from that thing. I guess I'd soon find out. I rolled up to the house at 1 a.m., smiling at how much money I'd make. Maybe I'd even have some leftovers. I could buy Aiden the toy jeep he really wanted, or get Maggie something nice. How long had it been since I had given her a gift? Since she'd really enjoyed herself. So yeah, this guy wants to. Okay, those are the two names of his two
His
children.
kids.
One of his,
Yeah.
two of his children. He has three, I guess.
Where's the third one?
I don't know. He doesn't care about the third one.
And what's his wife's name? He doesn't care about his third one.
The third one is the third wheel. No one cares
Okay.
about him.
Okay, wait, by the way, his wife knows about this?
Probably, I guess. Or maybe he didn't tell his wife. He's like, I'm going to work, and he just rides around houses and jumping fences.
Yeah, that too. At midnight. Past midnight.
1 a.m.
Yeah.
Who is awake at 1 a.m.?
Most people today remain awake until 2 or something.
I mean, sometimes I am, not always. If I'm watching some anime that's very interesting that doesn't let me sleep without seeing the ending, yes, I will be awake.
Obviously.
I climbed out of the car and pulled that hat low over my forehead. Pulled on my gloves, got a large bag out of my back seat. Sorry, that I sung. Then I slunk through the grass quietly past the immense windows in their study. So far, so good. I slid my lock-picking set out. After several minutes, I heard the familiar, satisfying clink. I stepped inside. I mean, it doesn't take that long to pick a lock. I mean,
Look, he has to figure out what kind of lock it is and use, you know, corresponding
I
kinds of tools to
mean,
unlock it.
there should be standard locks, right, in the US. Like
Yeah, so by the
here,
way, which year was this?
no year given yet, no date
Okay, so
given.
this house being huge didn't have CCTVs, had no surveillance cameras,
I
so
didn't think
maybe I
about
can
that.
guess
Why the hell are they not
1990s or
having
1980s.
CCTVs?
That's just a stupid boulder!
Yeah, no surveillance cameras. So
And
that must be
normally,
what
there should be motion detection
1990s.
things,
Yeah, all those stuff are supposed to be there if they are building a house
and not
in an age
everyone
like
had a
today's.
car in the 1990s, Alvin. You don't expect everyone with a car walking around town.
You don't walk around with car in town.
Okay, driving around town.
One eternity later.
I stepped inside. The house was quiet and dark. I slipped out my flashlight and flicked it on. White light bounced across the marble floor, sparkling in the crystals of the chandelier. I glanced around, forming a plan. Wait, he didn't form a plan until he gets into the house.
Yeah, see, he had gone around the house a couple of times, so he must have had a plan until then, but this line breaks that thought.
Then why was he riding around town?
That's why. Why was he riding around that house?
Okay. Yeah. The painting, the vase, and my eyelid lit up as I noticed the woman's purse hanging on a chair. Jackpot. Unmistakable LV of Louis Vuitton graced its surface. Nearly giggling, I grabbed it and slung it over my shoulder. No, wait. I couldn't steal all the stuff inside. Phones and tablets with tracking devices, credit cards that could be traced through their charges. It was too risky. Wait, what?
They had phones, tablets, tracking devices, all these stuff,
I I mean
and they didn't have a surveillance, and they didn't have security.
what are credit cards that could be traced through their charges? What does charges mean? Until and unless you use it, it can't be traced, right?
Charger could mean maybe you know, today we have SIMs. I mean, the phone numbers to which the credit cards are connected.
Oh, the
Could
phone
be
is still with them. You leave the phone there. Now what do you do?
That's what. So he could track it. Okay, yeah. So he could track the credit card using his phone, right?
Oh yeah. I emptied the contents on the dining room table. It was surprisingly empty. Tissues, a tube of lipstick, a phone, and a wallet. I picked up the wallet, pulled out 3 20s inside, then set the wallet back down. Wait. I froze. Picked the wallet back up, flipped it open. A driver's license, which was in transparent pocket. A woman stared up at me from the small photo, but even in the darkness of the house, I could see it. She was brunette. Yet the woman I'd seen in the house was blonde. Oh yeah, this was the hair color. Maybe a
Okay. Not hair color, brunette.
maybe a brownish
What color is that?
I don't know.
Okay.
I'll just search it up just a sec.
One eternity later.
Yeah, it's a hair color.
Brunette. What color is that?
It's just brown hair. I mean, she may have just colored her hair or something. I don't know. My heart started to pound. I scanned the rest license. Scanned the rest license?
What's that?
I scanned the rest license.
What?
He scanned the rest of the license. He just wrote restless.
Okay, so that's a typo.
He is just type. Height 5 feet 8 inches. Eyes brown, I think. BRN is brown, right?
Yeah, no.
Eyes brown. I aimed the flashlight's beam in the photo, studying the woman's face. Hard to tell if it was the same woman. I had only seen her from a distance. I set it back on the table, a feeling of unease settling in my gut. Okay, what else? I glanced into the kitchen. In some of the other houses I had broken into, they had real silverware, like literally knives and forks made out of silver. Nabbing even a few pieces that would get me some good cash. How rich should you be to eat out of silver and gold?
Not gold, okay? He just said silver, don't exaggerate.
No, people eat gold foil pizzas.
Yeah, in ice creams, I've seen
What's that thing? What's the other thing? A choulette. It's a French
I've seen
dessert.
I've seen ice creams with gold foil.
Oh, that like in those videos, $2 ice creams versus $100 million ice cream.
Yeah, that kind of stuff. You know, it will just have, you know, on top of that cream which they put, on top of that they'll have a
Yeah,
gold
anything.
foil. A thin note.
Just buy something $1 and put gold over it. 100 million.
One eternity later.
I stepped inside. The room was dimly lit from the blue light on the fancy refrigerator. I crept forward around the immense granite island, wrapped my fingers around the carved metal. Wrapped my fingers around the carved metal handle and tugged. What? Empty. I opened another drawer, then another. They all were empty. So did they move out while this guy was coming in? That would be real bad luck.
Obviously, he must have
That
checked
would
and, you know, he must have investigated all those stuff earlier.
no, literally.
I mean, if he is an experienced thief, yeah.
Think about going around someone's house to rob them and doing this much effort, and they're like, "Bye, Saka, moving out."
No, people would leave their purse, phone, and all that stuff in their house while they move out.
Maybe they are coming back next morning to clean up or something.
Who would leave their purse back?
It didn't have anything. It just had 20s.
Okay, anyways.
A terrible feeling settled inside me. Just take what you need and get out. I walked back through the kitchen, back into the foyer. A painting hung on the wall, set in a girdle frame, depicting a rolling ocean under stormy showers. I can't speak, I don't know why. A painting hung on the wall, set in a glided frame, depicting a rolling ocean under a stormy sky. I grabbed the side of and lifted. It was heavier than I expected, but I was able to lift it and shove it into a bag. Okay, the purse is easily $10,000. Sorry, the purse is easily $1,000. The painting probably at least 500. That should be enough for a few months. I turned around to leave when my eyes caught on the vase. Is it vase or vase? Just tell me that first.
I call it a was something. Just leave it.
It sat in the corner, perched into a small table. No flowers in it. Apparently, it was too good for things that grew in the dirt. The neck and the base were beautiful shade of jade green. Tiny looping handles on either side sparkled gold. And in the center, a painted woman poured water from a jug. So it's like those painting which has a painting of a painter painting.
No. Is that there? He just said a woman pouring water into the jug.
Yeah, on the jug there is a picture of a woman pouring water into the jug. which also
So
must
that's a
have
painting in a vase.
that must also have the painting of that woman. Just leave it.
You are you are going.
One eternity later.
I walked over on it, my heart pounding in my chest. Slowly, I lifted it from its perch. Something rattled inside. A snake?
No, not a snake in a vase of a big house.
They didn't have anything in their drawers. What do you expect? I think it's a snake charmer or something. I
Let's
froze.
see.
Every hair stood on end. I brought it up to my face, examining the woman, the curls of gold. Just leave it, the voice inside me screamed. You have enough. Leave it. Get out of here. I tripped it over. 2 nickels rolled out. I let it. Okay, yeah, 2 nickels.
So that's coins.
Yeah, it's a type of coin which is less. 1/4 of $1, I guess.
Maybe. No, why would people keep coins inside a vase? That too one made of gold.
I have coins on the sofa bed everywhere.
You have coins everywhere in your house.
Yeah, literally. I mean, I start cleaning this place, I'll get coins everywhere.
So all that you need to do whenever you need change is clean up your house.
Clean up my drawer or something.
Okay.
I let out a breath. I didn't even realize I had been holding. Then I let out a laugh, a soft hiss through my teeth. What? I really thought something scary. What? I really thought something scary was in there. Like what? A bone? A finger? A dried up rotten human heart.
Wow, he had nothing else to think.
Dried up rotten human heart. How would that
Dried up stuff usually doesn't rot. That's one thing.
It it is dry
It
because
requires moisture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, how would that look?
I don't know. That too inside a flower vase made of gold.
They may be murderers. How the hell do you think they got this house? Stupid. I threw the vase in the bag. Now, really, get out of here. But I glanced across the hall. The door at the end hung open. I could see the edge of a bed, a fancy wooden post, and beyond it, something glistening on the vanity table. Jewelry. Before I could stop myself, my feet were moving forward. I grabbed the edge of the door, slowly pushed it open. No, the sheets were soaked red. Terrible shapes lay in the bed, twisted and still. I stumbled back, a hand crumpled over my mouth, fighting the urge to scream.
What's
Okay.
that? The sheet was covered with blood.
Possibly. I told you. They were murderers.
But where are they now?
They are holding his what? Thump thump, the footstep above me. Did you hear that? A woman's voice. Okay, it's not that guy. Yeah, a man's voice replied. Yeah, a man's voice replied. I think someone's downstairs. I bolted my feet, slipping against the marble floors. Leaving the stolen goods, I ran out of the house. Across the front yard, I drove into the car, painting and peeled out of there. I was right. It was the perfect house to rob, but somebody had gotten there first.
Okay, so there was another robber there.
Yeah, there was another robber, and he had possibly killed them.
Oh, I see.
So why didn't he take the vase, the first one?
So why didn't he take the vase? Okay, so he must have emptied the purse.
He must have emptied the purse, the drawers. So yeah, they were not poor.
Then where's the vase? I mean, why didn't they take the vase?
He left everything there except for the painting, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah.
So Alvin, what do you think about this thing? Like,
This is a new thing that we're doing. We are taking stories from Reddit from now, and this is a new playlist that we're also creating. And also, when you are thinking about such stories where people have their own right, their own truth, and their own side of thinking, like, you think that he's right, but I think that he's still wrong because he has chosen the wrong way to do the right thing. And
He has
so, in
taken the
that
wrong
way, it
way,
was a
but to do
really,
the right thing.
yeah, but to do the right thing, it will
He's
not
doing the
justify
right
your
thing.
wrong way. That will never justify your right thing, right? So yeah, that's what I wanted to say. And also, uh, about the society today as well, that they need to understand that whatever they are doing, they need to do it the right way. Even if it is the right thing, they need to do it the right way, unlike your thinking.
What do you? Why are you vandalizing me? What do you mean by my thinking? I mean, I sometimes think it touches, right? But
Yeah.
yeah, you didn't get the reference, did you?
What reference?
It's an anime reference. Leave it.
Yeah. Leave it.
No.
I don't care if you call me a noob about anime.